Yeah, go ahead.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Today is January 16th. It's Saturday, and we are cleaning up because the house is a wreck. Like, I'm just tired of looking at it. Careful. Cover your mouth, please. So, I have the duster. Stuff to dust with, I guess I should say. The girls are cleaning up their toys. It's fine. It's fine. You need to finish cleaning toys for Mommy, okay? And then we can do that. And we're going to vacuum. The girls are going to help me and dust. Put away toys. And first off, start off with the loft. Hi, Nettie.
Hi, Sissy.
Silly. Start off with the loft. Get this place cleaned up. And move on from there. Then we will probably do, well, I'll do my bedroom, their bedrooms, their bathroom, my bathroom, and then we can go downstairs. The desk is currently at the grocery store. It's kind of cold outside, and we don't plan on doing much today except clean up the house and just overall, like, get the Christmas stuff put away, organize the garage, just stuff like that. So and I plan on going to the gym. Hey, excuse you guys. Share. I plan on going to the gym, to Zumba at 12, and yeah, that's what our day's going to be, so let's get started.
Can come with me too?
No, she's not going to the gym. Mommy, vacuum.
Me.
Okay,
Me.
all right, ready?
Yeah.
So the desk went to the store. We had some milk, lots of fresh ingredients, some avocados, some oranges, lots of bananas, pears, lemons, apples, all kinds of good stuff. What else? We got some yogurt, more bananas. I think that's all we got in here. Then we got some frozen stuff, and then also a few things for the pantry. Some brown rice. This minute rice is really good. Multigrain. Some oatmeal. I think that's the only like healthy stuff he picked up. And then I don't think too much out here. I think it was mainly just the meals for on the go and for the girls. I was getting some questions about how exactly this Ibotta app works. So here's the receipt from Walmart. I'm going to go to Walmart's website, or the Walmart part of it, and I just match up what I've already bought. So like, I know I bought carrots, so I'm going to hit carrots, and I'm going to hit unlock 25 cents cash, and then unlocked. So now I can go back to Walmart and see what else I have. Here's milk. So we're going to unlock 50 cents cash back. And then it asks you like a couple questions and stuff. I guess it's just because it's sponsored or whatever. So we unlock that. and then you just keep going and you unlock everything that you know you bought. And then once you're done, you hit verify purchases, and step 1, you select rebates. So all the things that you've hit on there should be on there, and you should be able to verify your purchases. Next, it says to scan the receipt. Now, I have no idea how to get this little code on here. Like, I don't know. Oh, it did it. Huh, that time it did it. The very first time I did it, it wouldn't let me do it. But typically, you just scan this code at the bottom. And when you scan it, it automatically verifies the purchases. And then within however long, it'll send you a little notification here saying that it was approved for however much your cashback was. Really easy, and it's free money. Why not? So I am pulling into Gold's Gym right now. I see it, I know. Emmy is so excited because she's gonna get to go to the kids' place and play. For some reason she loves playing here, and she's only been a couple times, so I'm not sure what she remembers or why she likes it so much, but it keeps her entertained.
It has those things about those things that have games on them.
Oh, video games? Yeah, see, we don't play video games at our house. I mean, not that I'm against it. We have them. We just don't play them.
It's because Maddie likes to take them.
Oh, okay.
And Maddie likes to play.
Okay. So we're here. I'm here for the 12 o'clock Zumba, and I'm actually a bit early. It's only 11:30. But this guy in particular, he teaches at a lot of Gold's Gym. His name is Manny. He teaches Zumba at a lot of classes. He's really popular. I don't know, because his class is amazing. Like, it really is a fun class to be at. The gym is cray right now. Cray.
Right there, Mommy, right there.
Okay, baby, thank you.
Oh, there's
What are you doing? Sorry. So yeah, his class is really popular. It gets filled up quick, and on Saturdays especially, every mom in town brings their kid to the kids club. So last time I tried to bring her with me, it was literally like a 30-minute wait, and I missed half the class. So I went ahead and dropped off my orders at the post office. And so if you have an open order with me as of yesterday, like all the orders from yesterday I haven't filled yet, but if you have an open order with me prior to yesterday, then it is out the door. So I dropped those off, and then please wait. Hey, wait for me, please. Yeah, so now we are headed into Zumba.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Finished my workout. I'm sweaty, but I feel good. It was really good Zumba workout. I missed it, seriously. My camera battery is about to die, but I just wanted to check in with you guys. It was a really good workout. Super proud of myself. Look at this crazy man. He's taking down the Christmas lights on the roof in his chanclas. You guys see that? Chanclas. He acts like he's a roofer. Look at that. Shorts and chanclas at that. He just caught me. Yes, you can read.
Okay,
Yes, you can, silly.
this is cow. This is a picture of cow. This is pig. This is pig. There's horse. There's lion. Sheep. Rooster. I read this book.
You're gonna read that book. Maddie, do you have to go pee-pee?
No.
Okay. I feel so much better. I just got out of the shower, but I thought it was funny because I have on this mask from Peter Thomas Roth. It's the Irish Moor mud mask. It's a purifying mask, but it's not like Super Mud from Glam Glow. Like the Super Mud comes on like a gray color, and then you can see it extracting dirt and oil from your pores. This one's just black, and it doesn't dry down, so I really don't know if it's working or much of anything. And as you can see, it does easily rub off on your clothing, so I would just be careful, but I scared Maddie. I was gonna say the girls, but I scared Maddie, namely, like she doesn't even want to come near me. So since it's kind of chilly outside, like too cold for them to go do their bikes or their skates or anything, we are inside playing Play-Doh. What color Play-Doh do you have, Maddie?
Blue.
Blue.
This for?
I think you put the Play-Doh in here, and then you can squeeze it out into a shape. Look. You can put the Play-Doh in here and then squeeze it out like this. This is one of the ones, the hairdresser. The hairdresser one. I think one of them got it for their birthday, and then the Ariel one that came with like the sparkly Play-Doh and stuff, Bia got Maddie for Christmas.
You make it.
Huh?
You make it.
What do you want Mommy to make?
To here.
Please?
Please.
Okay. There, see?
Yeah.
Different kinds of yucky germs. But not all disinfecting wipes are approved to kill the same number of them.
Can I cut it? Go ahead, cut it.
More types of germs than Clorox. Don't pick just any wipe.
Uh-oh, they fell apart. We've graduated to the girls playing by themselves. There's Play-Doh probably all over the floor, but that's what we put the blanket down there for. I was sitting on that little stool, which surprisingly is from IKEA and held my big old butt, but it was hurting my back, so.
I had to get up. Oh, Madeline.
It's okay. Stand up. You're fine. Good girl. You're good. Oh, so they're still playing Play-Doh. Andres is figuring out what we're going to eat for dinner. And it's like we have a lot of food, but we don't have a lot of food. Does that make sense? Like, do you guys ever feel like that? Like, we certainly have food in the house to where we're not going to starve. Like, if we absolutely had to eat, there's tons and tons of food. But there's nothing, like, ready to be made because we're bad and didn't put any meat out, like, to thaw. So, and we didn't pick any meat up today. He didn't at the store. And we need to go to Costco. So, just, like, in general, there's nothing quick to make, so I'm not sure what he's going to concoct, but I'm sure it'll be good because I'm hungry. Maddie, you reading a sissy? What book are you reading? No More Monkeys on the Bed? That's a good book. Treatment time, right? And then it's night time. Woohoo! No, we're not gonna hold it this time. You're gonna say good night.
Good night. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. So I come to the freezer, right, to put some meat out and get something to eat, and the light was off, so I had the door shut. I opened it and I'm like, is the car running? What's going on? I opened the door. This thing scared the crap out of me. It was the blow up that we had in the yard. It scared me half to death because I'm like, why in the world would that be blown up out here? Not even out here, like in the garage. I don't understand, but I remember now, and the rest said that it was kind of wet in like the creases, and instead of putting it up wet, can hear Maddie in the monitor. Instead of putting it up wet, he wanted to let it dry out before he put it away. But oh my gosh, nearly gave me a heart attack. So I'm upstairs, and once again, I feel like this is how I've been ending the vlogs the last couple of days. I did want to go ahead and start addressing a few questions at the end of every vlog. Not today, starting tomorrow, I guess. Sorry, like I said, I'm tired. Just because I was looking through the comments, and a lot of you do seem to miss and really liked when I answered questions at the end of every vlog. So I'm not going to do it every single day, just because like some days I just want to go to sleep. I don't feel like reading comments and stuff like that, especially if I've done it throughout the day. But a lot of you seem to miss it. So maybe every couple of vlogs I'll answer questions from previous vlogs and whatnot. I think I'm going to start writing some of them down so that I don't have to go through and like reread everything. But if I end up doing that, maybe tomorrow I'll answer a few questions. So if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments down below. I hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog that I posted titled I'll Never Understand, which was from the 15th, which was Friday, yesterday for me. And Like when I was editing it, I just had to laugh because there's so many more mean things I could have said to negative people, and I just tried really hard to keep my cool and not say them. So anyway, I thought it was funny. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Tomorrow, my Honey Bunny and I are going to have day date, I think. I don't really know. I think after the girls have nap and quiet time, my mom's going to watch them so that we can go to the movies. And we kind of want to go to Saltgrass because we have a gift certificate that we've been wanting to use. That's going to be kind of tough because popcorn is my weakness. Like, popcorn and icy is my most favorite thing ever to eat while I'm at the movies. So I'm kind of like, I don't know how to get around that. And by the time you guys see this, it will have already happened. So I don't really know what I'm going to do. If I should just get like maybe I'll get a kid's meal so I can still have some popcorn and some icy, but very little bits of it. I don't really know. So we'll see. Anyway, it was a really good day. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.